Hi, this is Paul Blackston with McMahon Truck Centers, here to discuss the Hino Extended Cab L6 25950 with the Elite Package. The Hino Extended Cab has a large spacious cab with lots of room for passengers to move between the seats and a large back seat. Orange safety belts, fender mirrors, and backup camera. Comes with WABCO collision mitigation, lane departure, and air disc brakes. Jerr-Dan Carriers are known for their gentle load angle, easy maintenance with no lube tech, lots of lighting to see and be seen, rear visibility package with conspicuity tape, and painted yellow wheel grids. Jerr-Dan wheel lifts have a very long reach and a 90-degree pick. Business-friendly finance packages available. Call Paul today, 740-215-9012.